Happy start to week 2. I'm excited to get going with the second week of our class, so I thought I would touch base with all of you about the requirement for our summative assessment. This week is the first summative assessment that we'll be doing this class. We will have 3 of them, and this is a big assignment, so I'd like you all to start looking at it earlier in the week so that you have a chance to ask questions if you need to. So what I'm asking you guys to do is to create a newsletter covering all 4 of the body systems that we will be learning about in this class. We haven't learned about them all yet, so it's going to take some additional research on your part to be able to answer these questions. At the very end, you'll combine all 3 of your newsletters into one submission, so you might want to think about how you want that to look. If you decide to only submit one section at a time and not combine them, that's completely fine with me. I won't deduct any points for that. So this week, what you'll need to do is look at all 4 of the body systems that we're going to be learning in class, which includes the cardiovascular, the respiratory, the urinary, and the digestive systems. Then what you're going to do is identify 5 terms that you feel like would be important to know. And you will define those 5 terms in your own words. I don't need a textbook definition for them. Then you're going to explain why you feel that those terms are important to know. It's completely up to you how you choose to word that. There's not really a right or a wrong answer unless you give a wrong definition. But it's why you feel like they're important to know. You need to include 2 outside sources, so whatever you're using for research to look up your definitions, those should be included at the end of your newsletter in APA formatting. It's also important to remember that no more than half of the information you provide should match to an outside source. So when I say I don't need a textbook definition, I don't want you to copy and paste information from any of your sources. I really want this information to be in your own words, but I need you to look it up first to make sure the information you're providing is accurate. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and let me know. As for how to create the newsletters, the assignment instructions do have a link that you can access to get to some templates. I believe those are PowerPoint templates. You can also use Microsoft Word. Those are the 2 acceptable formats to submitting assignments, and those are because SafeAssign can easily evaluate those, where if you use Canva or another software, SafeAssign cannot evaluate those for similarity, and I won't be able to accept them. If you have questions, reach out. Have a great week.